This marks the start of Zukefest 2018. We're going to be down in Wabasha as always, in the backwaters of the mighty Mississippi. We'll be going after some fish and doing some camping. It's going to be real fun. That'll be real good. So I'm going to meet my brother. My brother's already out there. He's in his canoe. And so we're going to spend tonight just him and I fishing. And then some more friends of ours are going to be coming tomorrow in the pontoon with some kids. So that'll be real fun. So we should be there shortly. All right, Mississippi River. Pool 4. Here we are. Let's do it. There she be. Mighty Mississippi. Our home for the next 3 days. Alright, boat's in the water. And now we're going to go out, make the trip out to the island that we're going to be camping on, and meet Zach out there. Maybe do a little fishing on the way, but there's a little bit of gray clouds in the sky, so I think I might just try to get over to where we're going to be camping quick, protect all the gear from getting wet if it does rain. So, barely even made it 2 casts, and I got the frog on, and I don't got him hooked very good, but I got a big bass on. See if I can try to get it there. Alright. Oh, he's gonna shake it. He might shake it right now. Don't shake it. You got it. You got it. It's alright, buddy. Ah. Look at that hog. That's a big one. Jeepers, beautiful. All right, here we go. Just trying to get out. I just figured I'd throw a couple lines in before I get out to camp. And my first cast, I had a big one that got off, and then third cast, he got on there. Crazy. Oh man, this is what this trip is all about. Having fun, catching fish. Home sweet home for the next couple of days. We're gonna get unpacked and get our stuff set up, tent set up, and everything protected, because we're supposed to have some nasty weather come in tonight. It always seems to find us every year that we do this Zukefest. Severe weather always follows us, and we intentionally went for late May, and the highs are like, heat indexes are gonna be like 95 degrees. So much for running away from that. That's okay though, we got a nice cool bigger river, keep us nice and cool. The bugs are actually terrible right now, but we're gonna get set up and then we're gonna do some fishing, because we're gonna go back where I caught that bass. So it is crazy hot out here and we're sweating like the dickens, but we got everything set up. We got our tent set up here, the canopy set up, and the boat's ready to go fishing. So now we're gonna sit down and relax a little bit and cool off, maybe take a dip in the wonderful river right down here, and get something to eat, and then we're gonna get our fishing stuff all ready to go. And there you can see Zach staking down the tarp there. Get our fishing stuff ready to go and get back out after some fish.
Found the baby painted turtle.
Zach and I are back where I caught that bass earlier this morning, and we're gonna work these weed beds with buzz baits and fake frogs, and hopefully get a couple bites. So here we go. Ah, got me! Right in the face. There we go. Got the crotch batter. There you go. Sweet, yeah. Nice little hammer handle there.
Yep.
There you go. That's what we came here for. Cool. Should we let her go? Sweet. As the storm is rolling in. So we're kind of running from the storm. Snuck up on us kind of quick. And some thunder, and we haven't saw any lightning at all, but it's just pouring over there in the horizon. You can see it. So we're gonna kind of run. Behind me, we lucked out with some good weather, but right back in there, that's some nasty weather. And whatever that is coming towards us. So I guess it's time to hunker down.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota until 4:15 p.m. It's 3:36 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Lewiston, or 9 miles southwest of Winona. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This thunderstorm will be near Stockton around 3:40 p.m. Greenview around 3:55 p.m. on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Winona, Minnesota.
So it's probably going to scoot to this. It's probably going to scoot that way. So anyways, so Zach just caught a nice sucker, and right now we're fishing for bait for catfish tonight. And we caught one sheephead, which isn't exactly ideal, but the sucker right here, especially this size, is like absolutely perfect.
Oh shit.
No! So it's about 8:30 right now, and we've been watching just some spectacular storms roll through, and a couple of warnings and watches, but luckily we've kind of escaped just rain. So apparently back home they had some 50-mile-an-hour winds and hail. I'm seeing some incredible pictures of the storm right now on Facebook. He's gonna crawl out. You gotta take him. Anyways, but all in all, it's been fun so far. Check this out here. Yeah, look at that. Just unreal. Beautiful sunset. Damn little bastards.
Yeah.
There, I'm just gonna put my hand there, and they try to bite me. See them right here. And this is nothing compared to when you go out here to go get your fish. Good morning. So last night was filled with mosquitoes. Wasn't able to really pick it up on audio, but the mosquitoes were probably the loudest I've ever heard, both of us have ever heard. It was like a distant train going by. It was how thick they were. So never seen it like that before or heard it like that. But fishing was pretty slow, but we really didn't want to get eaten up alive because it was pretty bad. So we turned in and slept great. Now we got some bacon and potatoes and eggs frying up, and we're gonna make some cowboy coffee. This is delicious, delicious coffee. There we go. And we still got some for later. How's it taste?
Real good. Better than Perkins.
We got some other people coming today. We got Royce and Brandon, and Brandon's 2 kids coming in their pontoon. And we'll do some fishing and just relaxing. We did some metal detecting yesterday. That was pretty fun. But
should I grab the can?
yeah. So we found a couple of sweet old beer cans actually.
Probably the best find I've ever had. 3 Raplos. Usually get lucky if you find one.
So it's about midday right now, and we're going to be doing some backwater pike fishing and bass fishing. So we just caught one. Zach had one on earlier.
Missed it there.
So yeah,
Got off.
they're definitely biting, which is good. So I'm gonna wash the slime off my hands and get back to it.
Oh yeah.
There now.
Nice.
There you go. Nice little bike here.
Shit, yeah. Oh yeah.
Let them go now. 1, 2, 6.
That was a perch on a spoon.
That would have been the biggest perch I've ever caught in my life.
On a spoon.
Yeah, on a little Cleo.
Oh shit, he's right there. He's following us. Oh, hey. That was fun. Oh yeah.
That's a nice pike. Dude, nice pike.
Oh.
There you go. It's a beautiful, beautiful pike. There you go. Good. Sweet. Biggest fish of the trip so far. Alright. Ayo. Ayo. Oh, here now. Here now. Hey. God, you're a little... No more. Let me grab you. Turn.
Oh, fuck. Jeez.
He is lively.
That just soaked me.
Don't do it. Stay. Alright. And I ain't gonna hurt you. I just want to let you go. Oop, I'll take this back. Yep. Beauty. Alright, we're gonna let her go. Alright, there you go. So it's Saturday afternoon and we're in the pontoon. We're in Royce's pontoon. So we met up with Brandon and his two sons, Reese and Riley, and we got Royce back there and my brother fishing right there. And we're just getting into some pike and the weed beds here. And Royce just had a nice one on, so we're gonna try to get a couple more here before it gets too dark and head back to camp and have a nice big fire, eat some good food.
We got off 3 times and back to
Yeah, get it.
Oh no! Oh, it got off? Is he still right there? Oh, that was you. Not too shabby.
Why do you keep catching the same fish? I went over and over.
There he is.
That is good.
There.
Wait.
Got her. Alright, we're gonna let her go because it's too hot.
Bye-bye.
We'll get there. Hey, you got the moon right above you. See it? Nice.